Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to unblock user on a Hui account. So first of all you have to go the Hui application. I'm just going to tap, and what you need to do, tap here the star icon right bottom corner on your screen, and then you'll see here post here. So then tap here the profile icon right top corner, and again tap the same way right top corner settings option and scroll down. Then here you'll see the option privacy, tap here and block account. Then you will find all the user here. So for tutorial purpose I block this user, so I'm just going to unblock. Simply tap on the unblock and that's it. So you can go his or her profile now. So this way you can unblock people or user on your application. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.